How to fix Valorant Blue Screen Error. Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about VGK.SYS Blue Screen Error. So it occurs when attempting to launch the game, hindering the users from playing it entirely. Thankfully, there are a few methods available to resolve this issue, so make sure to give them a shot. VGK.SYS BSOD arises from the outdated Vanguard software or other issues related to the specific security features. Occasionally, a hardware modification, that is particularly the CPU, can trigger this error. Before attempting any fixes, ensure that both of your game client and the Vanguard software are up to date. Additionally, disable or deactivate any other anti-cheat software before launching the game. Also, remove Corsair Unity engine and right-click on the Start menu and select the Apps and Features. Locate the engine on the list and click on the three dots and choose to uninstall. Remove all the software files and folders linked to this error, especially the Corsair vbusdriver.sys. Reinstall the Vanguard or disable the memory integrity in the Windows security. And after that, select the device security and click on the core isolation details. Locate the memory integrity feature and turn it off. And after doing that, restart your device. Additionally, third-party software and security issues often trigger this error when launching the game. So learn how to solve it for the uninterrupted gameplay. So this was all about it. This is how you can fix the Valorant VGK.SYS Blue Screen Error. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.